In today's video, we are going to learn about digital marketing and its importance. What is digital marketing? In a nutshell, digital marketing is a method used by brands and influencers to attract traffic and conversion for themselves. Let's now check some of the importance of digital marketing. Number first, it is cost effective. You do not need to invest a lot of money to launch your digital marketing campaign. It is affordable and does not have any strict policies demanding a minimum investment. You can begin your digital ads at any cost. Number second, high reach. Digital marketing has a global reach. As a result, you will be able to accept orders for your product or services across the globe. Let's now move on to point number third, and that is brand image. You can use digital campaigns to develop an image for your brand amongst new audience. The more people hear about you, the more the chances of getting sales. Number 4, measurable results. The biggest feature of digital marketing is that you can keep track of all your campaigns and actions, and you can generate millions of dollars in profit with a very little investment if you focus on optimizing your campaigns with the help of your previous campaigns results. Now, let's look at some of the career scope in digital marketing. Number first, be an organic marketer. A lot of people are there in the market who don't have the budget to invest in paid ads. So if you master this skill and be able to generate good results, you can be an organic marketing trainer for millions of people in the market. Number second, social media ads expert. Once you master the skill of organic growth, you can move towards running paid ads on social media. Using paid ads can give you high paying results within a short period of time. Let's move on to the next point. You can be an email marketing specialist. Email marketing is the best option for B2B lead generation. Furthermore, there are thousands of professionals who use email marketing to generate good results from themselves, and you can be the one of them. Our next point is you can be a content writer. In today's day and age, one of the most in-demand skill is writing content. If you master this skill, you will be able to stand out from the crowd of digital marketers and will be able to create a blue ocean for yourself. Let's move on to the next point, and that is work as a freelancer. If you don't want to devote a lot of time to this industry but still want to make money, you have the option to work as a freelancer. Use your skills to complete projects for your clients and get paid on the basis of hours. To conclude, an average person spends at least 6 hours a day on the internet, and if you are the one with long-term vision for your brand, digital marketing is the most effective opportunity to be a part of. This is an evergreen offer that can skyrocket your brand's awareness. Apart from that, it also allows you to create digital assets for yourself within a short period of time.